Why won't this thing die? Oh, I'm so happy I found this weapon. The garage. No recoil! Whoa, whoa. Run, run. Whoa. Gotta get one of these houses, man. Inside. Die. God. Oh God. Stay back. Ah, he's bleeding. He's bleeding. Shot in the face. Come here. Come here. Come on. Bring it on. Come at me, bro. Come at me. No, you stop falling. God, run. 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 Oh God, Here, buddy. Come here. You little big fish. You're not dead. You're bleeding. You. Stay away. Come here. Come here, buddy. Oh, jump in the head. Why will you not die? Die already. Come here. Jump, red again. Die. Yes. Oh, finally. Die. Something. What are those? What are those? What are those? You're coming after me. Some dead ones here. Maybe they want it. Hey, you want some fresh meat? You want some fresh meat here? Anybody? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I need cob, request, chop, back up, whatever stuff. Come on. Maybe they're angry I killed maybe their mother or something. Oh God, they can fly. I'm gonna climb this. Die. You will get close. Alright. I only see two. Where's the third one? There it is. Let's jump. Die! You call for a helicopter. They throw a helicopter thing. Need help! There! Helicopter! Quickly! Gotta get in. What do I do? Can I take off, please? Can I take off? I don't know how to start this. Maybe on the wrong side. This side? Wait, what? What happened to the chopper? What? What's up? Get it. Get this. How do I start this? How do I? God, this one. What is going on? What? I don't know how to start this. Hit it first, and then go inside. Come on, I want to start this vehicle. What's going on here? Well, alright, let's take off. To freedom!